Hello and welcome to this new video on how to put music on Instagram post on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be list of tabs. So you just have to click on that create tab. So just click on that create tab and two different options will be shown to you. They are post and live videos. So in order to post a new post, you just have to click on that post tab or post option. Just click on it and create new post section will be appeared right in front of your screen, and you just have to click on select from computer. Just click on it and you will be able to access your storage. Now you just have to choose the images or videos from the storage that you want to post, and when you have chosen it, you just have to click on that open button that is available. And when you have clicked on an open button, then the image or the videos will be shown to you. Now you just can crop the image, or you can just click on the next button that is on the top right hand side of that particular tab. Just click on that next button, and now there will be edit section. You can just click on the filters that you want to add, or you can just click on the adjustment and you will be able to edit the adjustment as well. And when you are satisfied with the edit section, then you just need to click on the next button once more, and when you click on the next button once more, you will be able to add caption, add your location, and you will be able to share. So in order to add music on post, currently the Instagram PC don't allow you to post or add music on your Instagram post. So to conclude, you won't be able to add music on your post from PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.